The beauty industry covers a wide variety of personal beauty products. Your skincare products, color cosmetics, hair care products, beauty appliances, and beauty services are all under the beauty industry. These products help us to look more beautiful. But what if I told you that there are some secrets that the beauty industry is not ready to reveal? In today's video, I will tell you 5 secrets that the beauty industry will never tell you. Make sure you watch this video till the end to find out the biggest secret. Before we get into details, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notifications to get updates on new videos. Number 5. Most skincare products contain synthetic chemicals. The beauty industry does not want you to know that the skincare products you use contain small amounts of synthetic chemicals. These chemicals can be over 8 different ones in one product and may cause cancer after a long time. It is okay if you use them for a while, as these chemicals may not cause danger quickly, but regular and strong usage of skincare products is not so good for you. Number 4. Organic or natural skincare products are not totally organic. It is hard to believe, right? It is the truth. Several acclaimed organic products still add synthetic chemicals to their products. This is something you probably haven't heard before, but certified organic beauty brands can legally use up to 10% to 20% synthetic chemicals in their products as long as the main 80% is natural. It's legal. Most of your so-called certified organic products aren't as pure as you thought. Number 3. Some of your natural beauty products are refined. This means that they are cooked, processed, and denatured, leaving them dead. This is done to remove irregular colors and unusual smells from the product. It also increases the shelf life of the products from months to years. Some of these products stay in warehouses and on shop shelves for months before you buy them, and the product will not have changed or degraded in any way. This is why some of your skincare products do not give you great results. Number 2. Some of your hair care products are heavily diluted. Many hair products contain only 10% to 20% of the ingredients needed for your hair to grow. The remaining percentage is either water or oils such as sunflower or vegetable oil. While these ingredients are not harmful, they will offer very few benefits to your hair. Number 1. Some brands still add lead to your lipsticks. Well, what can I say? Although it's in little quantity, very little, but the FDA found out in 2012 that over 300 shades of popular lipsticks contain trace amounts of lead. In other words, if your lipstick contains lead, then you eat lead every day. Not all skincare products are bad. There are reliable ones. It's best to check thoroughly before buying any. If you have a suggestion or any other concerns about some of the facts listed in this video, please tell us in the comment section.